Hello everyone, it is I, KT, pronounced as the letter K and T, and today we are here at DroneMax. We will be doing some mini Z racing. Checking I have all my cars and stuff, so we're gonna head over there. And yeah, just getting all my stuff. Okay. Hey, so what's up everyone? I am just getting my car good for race day today, which will involve changing tires and re-greasing the shock, the side dampeners, just cleaning stuff in general. Okay, so I've been having some problems with this car. This is a mod class MR04 Evo that I have found out how to build, or I guess like how to perform as well as the mod cars. Lately I've been having problems, which I doubt that I would have had if I just started with the actual pan car. Usually the first thing I do every race day is change tires. I have them taped up here. Just tape tires and bam. Ready. Oh shit. Bolt it back on. Good. Now let's bolt this guy back on. This is my MR04 open class, AAA open class car.
Oh. That's my car. Leave me alone. Get out of my room.
Okay, so we're gonna start off slowly.
Oh, sorry.
Just to figure out where our limits are on turning and how much we could turn before the car starts to.
What was it?
What do you call it? It's kind of like right there. They went on 2 years, so you can go to your part of your traction.
Invalid lap.
Yeah, you can't like do two at the time on sometimes, so.
Is that GWX? 16? 16?
Sorry.
Yes. 16 too? 14. It should be fast on 14. Is that the other time?
Okay. I am just jumping in everywhere. Not the best, but.
KT in first with 6 laps. Rain Boot in second with 6 laps. Rubber Tilt in third with 5 laps. Snotty in fourth with 4 laps. Road Rage in fifth with 3 laps. Nefarios in sixth with 1 laps.
But they won't let you run that, which is dumb. But that's what I ran because I ran on my car. That's not it. Because I run the Ocho on the other car, it goes a lot of 8. It goes low 8, so it's not that. That's a brand new build, right? We'll figure it out. We'll play with it tonight. We'll get it sorted. Oh, damn.
KT in first with 14 laps.
Uh-oh, sorry.
Rain Boot in second with 12 laps.
Oh.
Rubber Tilt in third with 10 laps. Smiley in fourth with 9 laps. Road Rage in fifth with 7 laps. Nefarios in sixth with 2 laps.
Oh. That gained there.
That was close. Holy cow. That was that was millimeters right there. KT has 5 laps on the field right now. What is that? Oh, God. And it all the same part of the track.
We weren't until that pile.
Invalid lap. Too short.
I wasn't sure if it. That was a insurance thingy. I'm making sure it didn't actually not go through.
KT on first with 20 laps. Rain Boot in second with 17 laps. Rubber Toe in third with 15 laps. Smiley in fourth with 14 laps. Road Rage in fifth with 10 laps. Imperios in sixth with 4 laps.
Thanks.
I just started second all of a sudden, but yeah.
Finish your last lap.
Oh,
Damn, bro.
we're all over the place.
No, Franklin's good. Everyone else is still alive. KT is good.
In first, KT. In second, Rain Boot. In third, Rubber Toe. In fourth, Smiley. In fifth, Road Rage.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was certain tattoos, but I couldn't figure out which was for.
I have my car's super iffy, so
Making excuses already?
Joiner in
I'm
first
testing
with
stuff
7
out with
laps.
like a suspension
9
travel,
KTs in second with 7 laps.
like limiting how
KT
far
in
it could
third
go.
with 4 laps.
Okay. So it drives super differently. Okay. Okay.
He flew it in here yesterday.
Joiner in first with 15 laps. 9 KTs in second with 14 laps. KT in third with 12 laps.
Ah. Oh. Sorry, Dan.
I'll catch you.
It's like the one time a car will flip. That's the first time I've seen the underside of a reflex car actually on the track.
Keep trading the lead back and forth.
Knight Tays in first with 23 laps. Joyner in second with 23 laps. KT in third with 21 laps. Finish your last lap.
All right, we got 9-0, 9-0, and 9-2. Okay, and you are done. Junior, you're done. Keep going.
I still go?
Dan and Joyner were separated. I'm sorry, KT and Joyner were separated by.
In first, KT. In second, Joyner. In third, LT Magic Legs.
6 seconds.
Race complete.
What?
Hey, KT. You also waited and had an open track. Yes. Yes, he did.
I was set it. I was.
9-0 nonsense.
What did I get?
9-1, 9-0, 9-0.
Slowest car.
Yeah, you were the fastest so far. You weren't the fastest.
It's still so weird. I'm testing it with the. Okay, so I'm gonna try and talk a little bit more. It's gonna be a bit hard because I'm just right next to everyone, and I'm attempt to shoot everyone again. But this time I'll okay. Let's go. Okay, good first lap. Got fitted.
You gotta take care of KT. He's a beast. You gotta take care of that golden white car. KT is unbeaten, not swept.
That is correct. What? Good lap. Okay, so we got a couple
KT in
tracks.
first with 6 laps. Smiley in second with 5 laps. Rainbow in third with 5 laps. Robert Toth in fourth with 4 laps. Nefarious in fifth with 1 lap.
No. That one's funny. I ate a sandwich, so my trigger finger is a bit greasy, and it keeps like every now and then sliding off.
The mayo on the fucking trigger finger?
It's from the bread, I think.
Ah,
KT in first with 13 laps. Rainbow in second with 12 laps. Smiley in third with 11 laps. Robert Choke in fourth with 10 laps. Nefarious in fifth with 4 laps.
Okay, yeah, we're doing good, we're doing good. I used to flip a lot in this one, not anymore. It's like at that one chicane over here, the long one. That's the one that I used to flip a lot. Right there.
isn't it really good? Slowing down.
KT in first with 19 laps. Rainbow in second with 18 laps. Smiley in third with 16 laps. Robert Choke in fourth with 16 laps. Nefarious in fifth with 7 laps.
30 seconds.
I was turning hard.
Oh, Marshall! Marshall! Thank you. Ah. Yay.
In first, KT. In second, Rainbow.
Yeah, Rubber don't squeeze past me.
In
Yeah.
third, Smiley. In fifth, Nefarious. Race complete.
A little bit more fun.
KT in first with 7 laps. Joyner in second with 7 laps. Fast Ford in third with 6 laps. LT Magic Legs in fourth with 5 laps.
KT and Joyner are separated by 1 second.
Up.
Joyner in first with 16 laps. KT in second with 15 laps. LT Magic Legs in third with 13 laps. Fast Ford in fourth with 13 laps. Invalid lap. Too short.
Magic Legs will be 8.92 now. That is the new fastest lap tonight. Basically, Kyosho cut.
Joyner in first with 25 laps. KT in second with 23 laps. LT Magic Legs in third with 21 laps. Fast Ford in fourth with 20 laps.
Damn! 30 seconds. Joyner's got a lap on the field, and now it's an 8.91. New fastest lap on the track.
I'm tripping for my teeth. They got bent. That crack.
Finish your last lap.
All right, Magic Legs, you're done. Fast Forward, done. You're done, Joyner. Wait for 15.
In first, Joyner. In second, KT. In third, LT Magic Legs. In fourth,
That's very good.
KG just went 9.3 in the final. That is a not strong, new fast lap.
KT in first with 7 laps. 40 in second with 6 laps. Rubber Tone in third with 5 laps. Smiley in fourth with 5 laps. Rainbow in fifth with 5 laps.
Oh, Smiley, going at it. Minutes left. Oh, we got a three-way tie for third right now. Oh my God. Almost ended up like a horse.
Oh, Michael. I don't know how I managed that.
You got KT on the lead by 2 laps.
KT in first with 15 laps. 40 in second with 13 laps. Rainbow in third with 11 laps. Rubber Tone in fourth with 10 laps. Smiley in fifth with 10 laps. KT in first with 23 laps. 40 in second with 19 laps. Rainbow in third with 18 laps. Smiley in fourth with 15 laps. Rubber Tone in fifth with 15 laps. Finish your last lap.
No, that was a good lap.
In first, KT. In second, 40. In third, Rainbow.
Yay!
In fourth, Rubber Tone. KT in first with 8 laps. Joyner in second with 8 laps. Fast Ford in third with 7 laps. LT Magic Legs in fourth with 7 laps. KT in first with 16 laps. Joyner in second with 15 laps. LT Magic Legs in third with 15 laps. Fast Ford in fourth with 15 laps.
Oh, I go.
KT in first with 24 laps. Joyner in second with 24 laps. LT Magic Legs in third with 24 laps. Fast Ford in fourth with 22 laps.
Across that line, Jordan. Go get him. Dan and Jordan right now.
Finish your last lap.
Next part in front of you, Jordan. Katie's done. Dan got it across the line. Nice job.
KT.
Good job,
In
Katie.
second, LT Magic Legs. In third, Joyner. In fourth,
That was good.
Fast Ford. Race complete.
That was good. My eyes are watery right now.
Well,